Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to open apps on your laptop. Let's get started. First, click on the search icon from the taskbar and type Microsoft Store. When it appears in the search results, click on it to open. Once the Microsoft Store opens, click on Apps to browse all available applications. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the app you want to install. After finding your app, click on it to open its page. Then simply click the Get or Install button. If Microsoft Store asks you to sign in, log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. The download will begin automatically. Once it's finished, the button will change to Open. Click Open to launch your newly installed app, or you can also find it later from the Start menu. And that's it. That's how you can download and install apps on any Windows laptop or PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.